Best espresso machines. Are you looking for the best espresso machines? In this video we will look at 5 of the best espresso machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Barista Express Impress Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Express Impress Espresso Machine, BS876BSS, is a high-quality espresso machine designed for coffee enthusiasts who want to brew professional-level espresso at home. Featuring a brushed stainless steel exterior, it has a sleek and modern design that fits well in any kitchen. The machine comes equipped with a built-in conical burr grinder, which grinds fresh coffee beans directly into the portafilter for optimal freshness and flavor. The adjustable grind settings allow users to customize the grind size to suit their preferences, ensuring a perfect shot every time. One of the standout features of the Barista Express Impress is its automatic tamping system. This innovation delivers consistent tamping pressure to ensure the coffee grounds are compacted evenly, resulting in a more consistent extraction and better tasting espresso. The steam wand allows for easy milk frothing, perfect for creating creamy lattes, cappuccinos, and other espresso-based drinks. The digital temperature control, PID, ensures precise water temperature for optimal espresso extraction, while the 15-bar Italian pump and thermocoil heating system provide excellent pressure and consistent heat, allowing for perfect espresso shots with rich crema every time. The machine also has a 1.8-liter water tank, reducing the need for frequent refills. For ease of use, the Barista Express Impress has an intuitive control panel with easy-to-read buttons for selecting settings like grind size, shot volume, and steam function. The cleaning cycle makes maintenance simple, keeping the machine in top working condition. Overall, the Breville Barista Express Impress is an excellent choice for those looking for a user-friendly yet professional espresso machine. Its consistent performance, built-in grinder, and innovative features make it a standout in the home espresso machine market. Number 2. Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine. The Capresso Café TS Touchscreen Espresso Machine is a sleek and user-friendly espresso machine designed to deliver high-quality espresso and coffee drinks at home. With a 50-ounce water tank, it offers ample capacity for multiple drinks without frequent refilling, making it ideal for home use or small gatherings. Its modern silver exterior provides an elegant look that fits seamlessly into any kitchen. One of the key features of the Café TS is its touchscreen interface, which simplifies the brewing process with intuitive controls. The digital display allows users to easily select from pre-programmed options or customize settings, including grind size, water temperature, and coffee strength. The touchscreen interface is responsive and easy to navigate, making it simple for both novice and experienced baristas to brew the perfect cup of espresso or coffee. The machine is equipped with a conical burr grinder, which grinds coffee beans fresh for each shot, ensuring maximum flavor and aroma. It also offers multiple grind settings to accommodate different coffee preferences. The 15-bar pump pressure ensures optimal espresso extraction, producing rich crema and a full-bodied flavor. For milk-based drinks like lattes and cappuccinos, the Café TS features a high-quality steam wand that froths milk to the perfect texture for creamy, velvety beverages. The automatic milk frother provides added convenience, making it easier to prepare café-style drinks at home. With its easy-to-use touchscreen controls, adjustable settings, and large water tank, the Capresso Café TS offers a combination of convenience and performance. Whether you're making espresso, cappuccinos, or lattes, this machine provides the tools needed to brew barista-quality beverages with ease. Its stylish design and thoughtful features make it a great option for home coffee lovers. Number 3. DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso and Coffee Machine, ECOM 22080SB, is a versatile and user-friendly espresso maker designed to bring cafe-quality beverages to your home. With a sleek silver finish, it adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen while delivering professional-level espresso, cappuccinos, and lattes with ease. The machine is equipped with a built-in grinder, allowing you to grind fresh coffee beans for every cup, ensuring optimal flavor and aroma. The automatic milk frother is one of the standout features of the Magnifica Start, enabling you to create rich and creamy froth for cappuccinos and lattes at the touch of a button. The one-touch latte and cappuccino system makes it easy to prepare your favorite milk-based drinks without any hassle, simply by pressing a button for seamless, automatic operation. With its 15-bar pressure system, the Magnifica Start ensures perfect espresso extraction, producing rich crema and a robust coffee flavor. The machine allows you to customize your coffee strength and size, ensuring a personalized brewing experience. The digital display and intuitive controls make it easy to adjust settings, while the compact size ensures it fits comfortably on your countertop without taking up too much space. The water tank is removable for easy refilling and cleaning, while the drip tray and coffee grounds container are also designed for hassle-free maintenance. The DeLonghi Magnifica Start offers excellent performance and convenience, making it ideal for coffee lovers who want to enjoy cafe-style beverages at home with minimal effort. Overall, the DeLonghi Magnifica Start AM22080SB combines high-quality espresso-making capabilities with convenience features like the automatic milk frother and built-in grinder, making it a top choice for those seeking an easy, reliable, and customizable coffee machine. Number 4. Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine. The Breville Barista Pro Espresso Machine, BS878BTR, in black truffle is a premium, all-in-one espresso machine designed to help you create cafe-quality coffee beverages at home. Featuring a sleek, modern design with a distinctive black truffle finish, it combines style with performance to deliver excellent results every time. Equipped with a built-in conical burr grinder, the Barista Pro allows you to grind fresh coffee beans directly into the portafilter, ensuring maximum flavor and aroma. The grind size can be easily adjusted, allowing you to customize your espresso for optimal extraction. The machine's digital temperature control, PID, ensures precise water temperature, which is crucial for achieving a balanced espresso shot with rich crema. The 15-bar Italian pump provides consistent pressure, and the thermocoil heating system heats up quickly, meaning you can enjoy your espresso almost immediately after powering on the machine. The steam wand is ideal for frothing milk to perfection, allowing you to create velvety lattes, cappuccinos, and other milk-based drinks with ease. The LCD display makes it easy to navigate the machine's settings, including adjusting grind size, shot volume, and milk frothing options. Its automatic tamping system ensures consistent pressure for a smooth and evenly extracted shot of espresso, taking some of the guesswork out of the process. The 1.9-liter water tank and removable drip tray make cleaning and refilling the machine easy, while the compact size ensures it fits comfortably in your kitchen without taking up too much space. Overall, the Breville Barista Pro BS878BTR is an excellent choice for coffee lovers looking for an all-in-one machine that delivers high-quality espresso and milk-based beverages with convenience and style. It offers superior performance, ease of use, and an elegant design, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced baristas. Number 5. Breville Bambino Plus. The Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine, BS500BSS, in brushed stainless steel is a compact yet powerful espresso machine that delivers professional quality espresso and coffee beverages at home. Its sleek and modern design makes it an attractive addition to any kitchen, while its impressive performance sets it apart in the world of home espresso makers. One of the standout features of the Bambino Plus is its fast heat-up time. Thanks to its thermojet heating system, the machine reaches the ideal brewing temperature in just 3 seconds, allowing you to brew your espresso quickly and efficiently without waiting around. The 15-bar Italian pump ensures consistent pressure for optimal extraction, producing rich, flavorful espresso with a velvety crema. The automatic steam wand is another highlight of the Bambino Plus. It froths milk to the perfect texture for cappuccinos, lattes, and other milk-based beverages, offering 3 adjustable milk temperatures and 3 texture settings for ultimate customization. Whether you prefer silky smooth milk or a denser froth, the Bambino Plus can handle it with ease. The LCD screen provides clear and simple control over your settings, such as the shot volume and milk frothing options, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced espresso enthusiasts. The portafilter is easily loaded with coffee grounds and tamped, and the 1-liter water tank ensures you can brew several cups before needing a refill. The Breville Bambino Plus is perfect for those seeking an easy-to-use, high-performance espresso machine in a compact size. Its fast heat-up time, precise steam control, and consistent espresso extraction make it a top choice for coffee lovers who want to enjoy café-quality beverages without the complexity of larger machines.